Hello, my pretty lovelies. Good morning to you all. Here's another wonderful and beautiful compilation of African dresses and African print dresses I have for you this morning. Okay, so I have decided to compile this new set of dresses for you ladies so that you can look outstanding anywhere you find yourself. Okay, so these dresses are beautiful, they are lovely, they are stunning dresses that you can slay for this week and also this new coming weekend that is ahead of us. So these dresses, you need to make them look good on you. Yes, so if there's any of these dresses that you love so much and you want to add them to your wardrobe, it's pretty cool that you add them to your wardrobe, and they are lovely dresses that you can slay anywhere or everywhere. Okay, so what I just want you to do is just pick any of these dresses, look outstanding, subscribe to my channel, and kindly hit the notification bell for more of the videos, because I have lots and lots of dresses for all you ladies out there. So I love you so much. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
City, baby. I remember when I was small, I say I want to be a big girl. Now I'm growing old, I wanna know how to be in love with you. Doesn't matter where you're from, it should be love, no get conditional. When I see your face, every time my heart keeps racing. Yeah, we're all what's a song. This love could have burn like fire. Together, I go stay with you, Ziti Dala. I can do me, Ziti Dala. I go stay with you, Ziti Dala. I can do me, Ziti Dala. For real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. My gem memorial. Take me with you anywhere you go. When the night down you roll, hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control, control. I go stay with you, Ziti Dala. I can do me, Ziti Dala.
Now, as you continue to watch the video, you can kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell.
I show in the morning. dollar, oh. I go stay with you, $60. Back where do me, $60, oh. I go stay with you, $60. Back where do me, $60, oh. For real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. Bobo alalo my gem memorial. Take me with you anywhere you go. When the night down you roll. Hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control. Control. I go stay with you, $60. Back when you me, $60.
So as you continue to watch this beautiful compilation of African dresses, so there are new designs on this particular video. So what I just want to do is I want you to encourage me by subscribing to this channel. Without your subscription, I will not be happy when it comes to people not subscribing and not watching my video. And I thank every one of us for being part of this journey. Okay, so it's a beautiful morning, so I have to be real. Okay, so I have decided to compile these dresses for you ladies. Yes, many of us have not been checking on our website, which is Avail Styles, and also Xclusive Styles and Glam Styles. Okay, so I want you to kindly visit those websites. Okay, they are lovely websites that you all can be part of the experience. See the beautiful designs, get those dresses for yourself, give it to your fashion designers, let them make those dresses for you. Okay, so I'll see you later in the evening. Thank you very much. I love you all. Click on this button to subscribe, and also click on this particular picture button to check more on our website. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Beats magic.